Good morning, guys. Morning, Abu, Fletcher, Ahmed, Miss Begotten, Dave, Martin. Welcome. I see somebody in the chat's looking to get banned already this morning. Good morning, Nimkins. Rough night of sleep. Rough night of sleep last night. So you guys are going to have to deal with the nerds today. I was not going to put the contacts in, nor deal with blurry vision. There are no feet pics, Ollie. There are no feet pics on, at least not my feet pics. How's the job going? Yeah, that's how I feel this morning. That's definitely how I feel. Little sleepy this morning, which is kind of fitting because we have sleepy markets. Morning, Jose. Welcome, brother. Guys, we are sideways, completely sideways. I don't know that I'm going to see anything. I did take another trade on this account yesterday. So this account now sits at $2,500 in 2 trading sessions. We're getting there. It's building a cushion. It is building the cushion. So basically, until we get outside of this 21,050, we'll say, or a break and hold above this 20,250 to 270 area, I don't know that I really want to be in the middle because it feels like you could get chopped up. I mean, there are levels within here. There's one up here around 200, like 180 to 200. There's another one down here at 100 to 120. But I don't know that I want to be executing at those levels because it feels like you're asking to get chopped up when you're executing at those levels. So I will be waiting for the extremes today, especially since we got this account balance up now and we don't really need to push it. Yeah, Nimkins, I haven't really paid much attention to the YM. It looks pretty sideways as well to me. Looks like there's a level here. Looks like there's starting to develop a level here about 180 to 230, 220. And then some up in here, obviously. But it's a lot of sideways action, guys. We have had... I mean, it feels like we've been in this range forever. Just bouncing in between these two levels. A little extension beyond here. But really, I want to see below 21K. I think higher time frame wise, this 20,700, 20,800 area looks like it. We probably need to pull back into that area to get any real significant move to the upside. Unless we get a squeeze. But the squeeze won't happen until we're above this level. So that's why I'm not interested in it. So yeah, guys, we're going to be patient today. Pretty light on the viewers as well. I'm only seeing 13 of you in here today, but we'll see how it pans out. We still got, I don't know, markets open in about 30 seconds. So we are definitely not looking to get involved on the open here. Now sit back, be patient. Oh, Chase, nice. Good morning. Up early this morning. Martin, how's the accounting job going? Is that what I look like? I look like I'm heading to the office. I know, Chase. One of these days, we'll cater to you and do an afternoon stream, my time. Guys, next week we have a lot of guests that will probably be on the stream. Monday is looking like... No, Nimkins. That's probably going to be Tuesday. I haven't talked to Fletcher yet. So, however, Monday is probably going to be banana bread trades. He reached out to me last night and said Monday is going to work for him. Providing he's not managing trades. Managing swing trades, I should say. So I plan on reaching out to Dave and Fletcher to get them on Tuesday. And then I've talked to DCD Trades as well, and he would like to come on too. And obviously we got Trading with the Boys on Fridays. Mason is working hard to get us a new streaming software up and going. Martin, we are looking at vMix right now. It is a full-on TV production studio suite software. So it's going to take some time. The transition is going to take some time and some learning. It's probably going to take us a little while, but I think it will up the production. i.e. showing guest charts will be clear. Transitions, animations, the setup will look a lot cleaner than what it does currently. OBS is nice, it's user friendly, it's beginner friendly, but it just is not getting the job done for where we want to take the channel. So we're exploring other avenues. Albu trades Trump Thursday. Oh man, Albu. I mean, Monday Tom Hogard, Tuesday ICT, Wednesday Stanley Druckenmiller, Thursday Jerome Powell, Friday Dave. Yeah, Dave's already. Well, I was scrolling through Discord earlier. Dave's already been short. He's been long. He's been short. He's been long. I don't know how many trades he's got so far. I have no idea. He's a hard man to keep up with when it comes to what trades he's been in. Not too many. Define not too many. That is definitely true. I mean, he sits in that hard wooden chair. He's got to do something to keep himself somewhat comfortable. Morning, Mason. his long and short level are only 20 points apart, so he's following his plan. Dave's down to the flipping a coin strategy. Yeah, Fletcher. I mean, there's no real. I thought CPI was gonna do a bit more, but all it did was pump and then retrace. I thought it was gonna get us out of that little range, but it didn't. So I'm expecting much the same. I want to. Yeah, Rabbi. I couldn't do the contacts today. I had to wear the nerds. So I'll be looking for shorts up here at 250 to 270, longs from anywhere from 21,050 to 21K if it holds. That's my plan. I mean, unless something really pops out at me, I don't want to be executing in here. I think you're just asking to get chopped. I would not at all be surprised for it to sweep overnight highs here and immediately reject back down. And then go chase overnight lows and immediately reclaim. So we'll just be patient. If you don't see anything you like, don't get in a trade. It's been raining here for like the last 24 hours pretty hard. This is more what you expected? What, the t-shirt and jeans look doesn't do You guys act like I trade naked or something. I don't know what's going on here. Private school rugby look? My goodness. Has this become a fashion channel? I don't understand what's going on here. Critiquing my what do you want me to start doing? What do they call them? Get ready with me's or outfit of the day or whatever it is. Josh, yeah, taking a break from stripping and toe picks. Tie Thursday? Oh man, I haven't had to wear a tie in a while, other than to funerals and weddings. It's kind of nice. It's nice to be able to throw on whatever you want. Hey Mason, by the way, it's not a water bottle today. It is coffee. A can of beans? No, it's not a can of beans. It's not a can of beans. No, I can't do black coffee. But no, it's an Ohio State thermos. If Sanders is here, he'll appreciate this. Yeah, I can't do black coffee. I gotta have at least a little bit of cream in it. A little bit of sweetener. It's starting to feel a little bit heavy here. But I just don't want to get involved yet. Nothing for me to do. All right, that's a 50-point dump off the highs. Well, let's see if we bounce here or if we finally get the flush. Yes, please, Rabba. That's what I want to see. I want to see the flush. Hey guys, if you could smash that thumbs up button for me. If we can get a bounce up here to back up to 120 and we're holding below, or even really below 130, I might try the short. Mason, no, I probably won't watch it. I probably won't watch the Tyson fight. Well, it held below 120. I just missed it because I was looking at the chat. Yeah, I'm not really a fight guy. I don't watch UFC or boxing or anything like that. Are we actually going to get the sell-off today? It's starting to look that way a little bit. No, Fletcher, I don't watch any boxing or UFC. I haven't watched UFC since Anderson Silva in his prime days. I think I've seen maybe one Conor McGregor fight and he got his butt kicked. Yeah, no, I definitely don't. Definitely not interested in the fight nights. When I was in college, I bartended, and every fight night turned into, well, fights in the bar. Bunch of drunk dudes. Bunch of drunk dudes thinking they're tough, watching fights. Yeah, Fletcher. Well, and then because you're part of the staff at the establishment where the fight's happening, you have to kind of like jump in there. It's like, no, I don't need to be catching any stray right hooks. No. No, definitely don't get paid enough for that. The problem is, Mason, is there's women and children around as well in some of the establishments. It's like, what are you doing? You guys got to get with it here. Like, what if you accidentally hit a kid? Yeah, Martin. I mean, I'm hoping. I want to see. I want to see lower. I wouldn't mind a kick up first, though. I don't want them just to leave me behind before the move happens. Looks like they might just do that, though. Give you no chance to really hop on unless you are like Dave and just are clicking the buttons. Like, I'd like at this point, I'd like to see I'd like to see 2100 get tested again, and it's a hold below, or even this wick here at 112, 113, somewhere in there. Yeah, Porch. It's the recent price action, because you know at any point they could retrace this entire candle in the next 5-minute candle. At any point in time. Like, this heavy down sell could just be the bait for the shorts getting short here under 100 and it reclaim and then just kind of slowly grind, and then all of a sudden you're 50 points down on your trade. Dave is up 20K on the day. Yeah, I mean, just since I've been live, I've seen 3 or 4 trades in 20 minutes. Mason, I got any weird stories from bartending? Define weird. Yeah, people are weird. I mean, people are weird. I mean, I've seen a husband getting a hand job underneath the bar from the woman next to him, while his wife was sitting on the other side having a conversation with her friend. I've seen a guy holding a girl hostage with a knife underneath the bar, and when he went to the bathroom, she said she needed help. And so we had to disarm him from the knife. He then claimed racism because he was a black man and we were all white. The bartenders are the strange ones. Yeah, Nimkins. Just do the trading plans. I'm telling you, it'll keep you out of a lot of trouble. It will keep you out of a lot of trouble. It was because your wife. How did you know? Yeah, that whole card that some of them pull is getting old. I mean, everything doesn't happen because of race, because of racism. That's not to say there aren't racists out there, but not everything happens because of race. Yeah, Dave sitting on hands for a bit. 5 minutes later. Short, 136. Taking 3 off, leaving 2 runners, break even. Yeah, Mason, I'm right there with you. Oh, why does this seem like the exact move that happened over here? Oh, yeah, Fletcher, he knows better. He knows screenshot curse, announcing your trades is a definite reason to not do it. Like, it is a real thing. Yesterday, I swear, Mason, you saw it happen. I screenshotted, and the minute I hit enter, this thing, I was short, and this thing pumped like 40 points back. Back. And I think I was up like 80 points on the trade at the time. Maybe even 100. I can't remember how much I was up on the trade, but... Are we actually going to reject? Wow, I wasn't paying attention again, and it did exactly what I wanted it to do. You guys are distracting me over here in the chat. Morning, Phoenix. Yeah, let's see what happens here at 100. Yeah, DJ, I'm right there with you. I mean, I'm not seeing a ton of buying. There's a little bit here on this pushback up into 120. But they immediately got slapped. And without an A+ setup right now, I'm just not interested. I'm not interested in getting chopped here. I mean, we're back above overnight lows currently. Kind of just chopping overnight lows. 130 block on the sell side here at 95. Just got taken. Or on the ask, I shouldn't say on the sell side. They could have just been taking profits. I'd like to see one more test of 120 before the down move. Is anybody long right here? Yeah, Martin, that's, I mean, it'd be very hard to hop on the long. Yeah, Albu, I mean, I agree with you. There's no reason to ruin the day this early. And we're kind of setting up this consolidation just under 100 right now, but I feel like it could take a while to set up on the short side. I mean, this whole area, every time we've come into it, has just been chop. Every single time. It's looking like the short's setting up. If we can get one more push up here into overnight lows before it sweeps down, I'm not opposed to taking the short here. Yeah, these kick-ups are just a little too much right now. I'm going to be hands off. This feels like it could be a fake out reversal back up into VWAP. I mean, is everybody just sitting on their hands here? I hope so. This is bad. Just when you think it's going to snap, it just completely retraces. Yeah, Robba, you're still holding that short? Yeah, Fletcher. Tuesday, are you available Tuesday to come on the stream with Dave? Speaking of which. All right, yeah. I'll have, so yeah, Tuesday can be Dave and Fletcher. I will just be a casual observer on that stream on Tuesday. A casual observer. All right. I'm going to try the short here, guys. Just go stop right above 100. Oh, wrong order. Of course. Shouldn't have got involved here. Because here comes the sweep above 100. Stopped out. I knew it was stupid to get involved there, and I did it anyway. Like a dummy. All because I don't want to miss the big sell-off. There it is. Dave sitting on hands for a while. Not even 10 minutes later. Long. Andrew. Yeah, they've already gotten on me about the way I look today. Canterbury Tales. Yeah, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous price action. I want to say it's more downside, but I'm not gonna. I mean, literally, when I get into this trade, it's the one wick up to 120, and then comes immediately right back down. It's like, what's up, Palm? Oh man, everybody! I don't think I've had one person that's chimed in today that's saying that's not said something about my appearance today. No, Nimkins, it's my fault. I sat there and said I didn't want to get involved there, and what did I do? I got involved there, and it cost me. I didn't follow my plan. That's my fault. That's not Kev's fault. I said I wasn't interested till said I wasn't interested till down here or up here. And what did I do? Got involved right where I said I didn't want to get involved. Looking like Palm's dad on the golf course. Do I look like I'm going out to the course? Why? Because I got a quarter zip on? Yeah. Porch, Quant Tower is a free platform on Top Step. You don't have to pay for it. You'll be blaming Nim if your long doesn't work. Oh, Albu, that'll never happen. I will never rock the mullet. What minute chart is this one? Is that what you're asking, Chase? The one that my cursor's on right now? The 5 minute. This is a 5 minute chart, Chase. This is a 5 minute. This is a 2 minute. And this is the DOM surface or heat map. No, having curly wavy hair does not go well with mullets, in my opinion. You were on a 16-minute delay, Palm? How'd you get that big of a delay? I know, Porch. I'm almost leaning long side now. I don't think it's the play, but I don't know. Yeah, Andrew. I mean, I'd like to see all that get cleaned up lower. I just don't know if we get there. It's feeling like an inside day. I mean, look at the daily. This is gross. This is gross. I'd like to see it pull back into this daily 20 SMA, but it's just not. Every single move to the downside is immediately bought up, even if it's a big move. Buyers are just all jacked up on Trump steroids right now, I guess. Have a good one, Fletcher. Nimkins, we can fast forward to next Wednesday. Yeah. What is next Wednesday? Is it Nvidia earnings or something? Shop until Pal talks. What time is Pal talking today? Oh, he doesn't talk till 3 o'clock this afternoon? Yikes. I hope that's not the case. I gotta make my money back here. Well, looking like I was right about direction, wrong about timing. Oh, that's unfortunate. Jeez, Dave. Dave, you're lucky you trade on Top Step X, brother. My goodness, commissions would eat you alive. No, Nimkins, she probably wouldn't appreciate that at all. Oh, come on, man. Really? That's a little frustrating. We're only dropping because Kev is long. Is Kev long? Where's he long from? $21,077. I don't know. I mean, I see, let's see. Albu's got a, what does he got? He's got a buy area right here, 21,063. He's got a buy area at 20,939. And then below that, 20,857. I think today might be the day where we test 21K though. $21,017 is the buy price. That's the standard 60-point drop from Kev's long. Yeah, I mean, this area has been tested quite a bit. Might get a kick up back into Kev's entry. Maybe even overnight lows here on a retest. And then probably back down. I'll be right back, guys. All right, we're back. Back to water as well. It's holding up. It's just there's still all this interest lower that I'm concerned about. I'd kind of like to see the sweep down here into 21K at this point. This week is Groundhog Day every day. Yeah, I don't know, Rabba. I don't trade order blocks. I don't even know where they are. This is considered an order block, is what you're saying? This candle right here. What makes that an order block? Three in a row. So order blocks are based on candle structure. The only problem I have with order blocks and using them to trade are the markets existed before candlestick charts were formed. So it doesn't really... I don't know. We trade price and volume. Technically, that's all you really need to trade. So basing a trade off of this just doesn't make sense to me. I mean, if you use it and you find it effective, by all means. But with that being said, some of the best traders that I know don't even use... But it falls in my box? Oh, okay. All right. Some of the best traders that I've seen don't even use candlestick. They don't use charts. They just use the DOM. All right, I'm going to try the long here. Stopped out. I think the long does play out. I think we just go back up into the range. No, Chase, I'm down. I can't I can't give it that room right now. I have to claw my way out of a hole. I was in a $400 hole. Like a $450 hole. I'm only down $350 now. So I can't like give it the 20-point wiggle room. Otherwise, I'm risking my day. But yeah. Let's see here. Raba, is the order block playing out? I don't know. You tell me. I mean, I'm not sure. Yeah, I just think oh, I gotcha. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what to look for in these things. I mean, you say negative order block just because this is a big down candle. All this really is to me is a quick sweep of prior lows, prior swing lows, and a reclaim for the move back up into the range. That's all I'm seeing. That's it. Order blocks, indicators aside. That's all I see. Trap down there for the bears on the breakout short, and right back in. See, the problem with those things is you technically, because they're created right before the move, you've missed the move, in my opinion. So if you're basing a trade off of this, yeah, you could have caught this little slap here, but when you're looking for the bigger overall move, like playing little bounces like that, like I guess unless you're only looking for 10 points or 15 points, that's fine. But I generally, when I get into a trade, for the most part, except for now because I'm digging myself out of a small hole, if I don't see 50 points in the trade at least, I'm generally not taking it. I'm just not taking it. Like even my short here that I got stopped out on this one wick that came up and got me, I at least saw 21,050 getting hit. I got in just below 100. But the move up makes sense. We probably come up here, test VWAP right at 21,120. Probably get a little slap off it. If we come back down after either floating VWAP or hitting VWAP and hold above 100, I would think the long's in play. Targeting IBH up here at 175. I mean, what I would love to see is the smack back down and the flush. I just don't know that we're going to get that today. Right now, to me, this feels like it's setting up. Like there'll be quick moves down, but it feels like it's setting up to trap the shorts for the long play back into the range. I mean, we might even come all the way back up here to 250 and test that again. But all we're doing is range trading, and that is it. Range, range, range. And it looks like it's going to be slow as well. Yeah, Kev, I don't blame you for holding long. I mean, you're up, what, almost 40 points right now? Kev, are you on a micro or a mini? I would assume a micro. Micros, yeah. His minis are sitting at 20,250. Oh, nice, Chase. Yeah, that's nice. You'll like it. Transitioning from Apex over to Top Step is nice for those that do it. It's a lot more relaxed. YM very clean today. Let's see if you define clean. Well, this looks like a lot of sideways action as well, Nims. I don't know what you say clean is. Your definition of clean and my definition of clean are entirely different, apparently. We're sideways on every indice right now. An accumulation phase. Yeah. Yeah, where's Dave when you need him? Dave and Fletcher. Yeah, Chase, you'll like it. Yeah, you'll like Top Step. You don't have to worry about that intraday trailing. There's the break above VWAP. Distribution up after manipulation down. Yeah, everybody who has never tried Top Step and started with Apex because of Matt and the copy trading 20 accounts little golden lure that he dangled in front of you. Matt's a good trader. Matt's good at scalping. But like I don't think that, well, yeah, the cheap cost of evals as well. You're right. But why are they cheap is the question, you know? there's a reason why they're selling them so cheap. Well, I'm almost thinking about trying this long here. I'd like a pullback into 100 at this point and a hold above. Hopefully it doesn't just float away from me here. Should have just held on to the long that I had. Yeah, Andrew, I don't even know if we get back down here before the move up into IBH. This is looking very, very pumpy. I retrace this whole down move. Yeah, Ollie, that is the problem. It is a problem on the 50Ks. Unless you're trading micros. Highly volatile markets aren't kind to the 50K accounts. Oh, Palm, you've been trading the Russell the last few days? How's that been going? Dave. Oh, man. I just... I'm pretty sure, Dave, you could find a trade in every 5-minute candle. I'm fairly certain. You've been trading all four, and the only one you've been green on is the Russell. Is the Russell at all-time highs as well? I don't have it up anywhere. Let me see what see where it's at. 22,372. It's red on this session. 0.5%. You don't think so? You don't know? Well, Oh, okay. Your charts are just messed up. Kev, you're out at 133 of the long. I don't know. I think you could have held. Andrew, you're already drinking over there? Already drinking over there in Cyprus? I mean, it's only almost 11 o'clock my time in the morning. Or are you guys hanging out in the voice chat right now? Yeah, Jose, as long as it's holding above 120 here, I still like the longs. IBL was set first. What does Palmetto say? There's a 70% chance that IBH is the first to get... Or wait, was IBL set first? No, IBH was set first. So IBL... There's a 70% chance that it gets ran, so maybe more downside, but let's face it, we're sideways, Jose. IBL 70% today, Palm? Yeah, there you go. I mean, we're sideways. We've been sideways the whole week. Ever since the election, really. We've just been trading in this same range. Granted, it's a 200-point range, but... Yeah, Palm. I mean, that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking upside. Right now on the 2-minute, you've got a classic break and retest of 120 for the pump up. We've basically just been stair-stepping up. Got big blocks up above. I could see us just grinding higher. At least a value area high here at 153. Oh, where are you long from, Jose? Hopefully at 100 at least. 104? Okay. You got to break even. Yeah, the fact that we couldn't aggressively push down to 21K and below was pretty telling on the rest. I mean, until that happens, we're probably stuck in this range. Buyers have tried to get above 250 to 270 for a while. They've made multiple attempts at it. Haven't been able to do it. Haven't been able to hold above 250 for the move up. But this whole area here is a chop zone. Okay. Yeah, you've locked in something? Yeah, that's good. I mean, you might get the stop hit just because this is chop in here. But it's a good trade. The hold above 104. Starting to get heavy though. Are we really gonna do this 120 to 80 thing? If we bounce 80, I might be calling the stream, guys. I am not going to play this little game that they seem to want to play today. I will close it up and go do something else. All right, let's see what happens if we get the flush to 80. Got some selling pressure here. Got overnight lows pretty much right where we're at, breaking below them. On the 1 hour. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Chase. All right, I'm going to try this long. All right, I'm out. All right, guys, I battled my way back. I'm only down $100 now on the session, so I can reset a little bit. I might have been able to hold that and just played the range, the bounce back up into 120, but I'm okay with taking that off where I did. Oh no, Palm, you're down 1.2. Palm, are you doing the 150Ks? I think you said you were gonna do the 150Ks from here on out to give yourself a little more room. Yeah, I agree. I agree, especially if you want to trade in Q. It's almost a necessity these days with the volatility. If you're trying to trade minis, that is. I guess micros is a little bit different. But yeah, I would think you get value area high at some point today. Like, this move up here makes sense. But the flush also makes sense as well. So yeah. I just think it might be slow for you, Palm, if we do get that move up there. Ideally, what you'd like to see is this 5-minute candle to close up around like 115 to 120. That would be ideal for the long right now. It hanging out in the bottom 50% of this big red candle isn't the greatest sign. Oh no, motivation. Opening range trade failed you today? Yeah, there's no like systematic strategy that's going to be 100%. There's just going to be periods where it just doesn't work. Well, all right, guys. I'm probably going to call it there for the day. I don't want to get involved in here anymore. This could be choppy for a little while. I hope it's not. I hope we get a breakout one way or the other. For Palm's sake, I hope it's to the top side. But I have a feeling it could chop here for a little bit going into London close. So yeah, trade safe, guys. I'll be hanging out in Discord. Stay patient. And join me tomorrow at 9:20 a.m. Eastern for Trading with the Boys. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow morning. Peace.